I'm ready for anything. I fully intend. When it all started, when I fought against Romualdez, I was fully expecting to die, but like, kung sanctions lang naman, that's much better than dying.
Suspension is okay with you?
Yeah, suspension, removal, imprisonment, like, those are all possible, but that's fine.
But do you think they have grounds to do that to you?
Well, they can make grounds, and that's the problem with our legal system here. When you are wealthy and when you have wealthy people backing you, you have the ability to create your own justice.
But you don't think you violated anything from the code of conduct?
Well, I wouldn't be defending myself in the ethics committee if I do believe that I violated anything there.
Hello mga kabibigo, welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay ng YouTuber sa lahat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na Towered Evidence. Naku po, ito na nga ang kinatatakutan ng maraming supporters ni Kiko Barzaga, ni Congressman Miao. Naku, ito na kabibig, oh. Pagdinig ng ethics complaint labang kay Congressman Kiko Barzaga, sisimulan na ngayong araw sa Kamara. So, posible bang makulong si Congressman Kiko Barzaga? 'Di ba? Sisimulan na ngayong araw ng House Committee on Ethics and Privileges ang pagdinig ng ethics complaint laban kay Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga matapos ang inihaing reklamo ng National Unity Party. Naku kabibig, para yatang kinakabahan ako nito. Ano kayang mangyayari? Sabi dito kabibig, si Kiko Barzaga din ay nagsumiti din, nagsampa din ng ethics complaint. House Deputy Speaker Ronnie Puno and Cavite Representative Kiko Barzaga are not keen to reconcile after the leader filed an ethics complaint against the neophyte lawmaker. Puno said on Monday, ngayong araw na to, the ethics committee transferred the complaint to the sub-panel on reconciliation, which will try to settle issues first before the committees takes up the merits of the case. Pero, sabi ni Puno, we filed this complaint because we want standards of behavior to be established in Congress. Natawa ang mga netizen. Standards behavior daw. Paano yung ginawa ni Zaldico? Yung ibang mga kongresista, yun ba ang standard na behavior ng isang kongresista sa House of Representatives? Sabi nila, pinaiimbestigahan pa naman. Wala pa namang solid evidence. Ay talaga? Walang solid evidence. Meron na nga nagsalita ang mga diskaya. Nandun nga si Orly Gotesa, nagsalita tungkol kay Zaldico at Martin Romualdez. Ano bang klaseng witnesses, ebidensya ang pwedeng sasampal sa inyo at sasabihin nyo, ay oo tama. Silang dalawa talaga ang dapat managot. Tapos itong si Congressman Miao, nag-post lang sa kanyang social media, nag-video sa kanyang sarili, humikayat ng anti-Marcos rally kagabi, successful, kahit maliit lang ang nag-attend. Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag malaki or maliit ang rally, hindi na successful. As long as na pasigaw o isinigaw nila ang gusto nilang ipaabot sa gobyerno, success na yon. Kahit dalawa lang kayo mag-rally, tatawagin ba yung rally kabibig? Kung dapat madami nga eh. Kahit 5, 10. Kumpara sa thousands. Tapos, later on, walang makikitang resulta. Diba? Sabi ni Puno ba, itong behavior daw ni Congressman Miao, hindi standard behavior. Ano ba talaga ang standard behavior, Puno? Barzaga wants the case to proceed. Hindi takot si Barzaga. Believing he has not committed any wrongdoing. Sabi dito, I prefer not to settle because I want to try to having a hearing and try to make my defense there. Ang tapang talaga ni Congressman Miao. Ipagpatuloy niyo ang kaso. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Go. Gusto ko yung kaso, may hearing. Para madepensa ko yung sarili ko at maintindihan din ninyo kung saan galing yung action ko. But Puno said, higher standards are expected from congressmen as they are elected by the people. Nako, tawang-tawa ang mga netizen. Higher standard? Paano mo sabihin? Yung mga kurakot, higher standard. Bakit hindi kayo nagsampa ng ethics complaint sa mga isiniwalat na mga diskaya? Bakit walang ethics complaint si Martin Romualdez? Selective lang ba kayo? Yung mga against na mga kongresista lang ba ang kakasuhan nyo ng ethics complaint? Hindi bulag ang tao. Sabi dito, we should remind him about the standards of human behavior. He does not believe he did anything wrong because obviously his standards are much lower than the average person. Hala, grabe. Ang standard daw ni Kiko Barzaga mas mababa pa sa average person. So anong ibig mong sabihin? Na may something si Kiko Barzaga? Na sinto-sinto si Kiko Barzaga? Kasi kung below average person, yun ang mga taong hindi nag-iisip. Yung mga taong sinto-sinto, yun ang mga taong kulang sa pag-iisip, mga kokote nila. Hala, grabe, no? Grabe. Nako. Ay, nako, kabibig. So, ito ang mga video, kabibig. Watch this video.
Ayoko na sana palakihin yan or bigyan ng importansya. Pero meron hearing on Monday. No, yung final namin na complaint against him. Ang nagpadala na rin sila ng depensa nila. No? Alam mo, ang depensa niya is freedom of speech, yung mga ganun siya talaga, yung mga ganun. Ano? Alam mo, ang Ethics and Rules Committee hindi criminal court. No, it is a vehicle for the House to protect itself against misbehavior by its members. 'Di ba? So hindi siya makukulong kung guilty siya sa Ethics Committee, no? Maybe may reprimand, may pagsabihan ganyan. Pero kasi yung ibang mga ginawa niya na pinagreklamo namin, parang sinasabi niya na karapatan niya yon. Actually, karapatan mo yun as a citizen. Pero hindi yun ang behavior na ini-expect from a congressman. Iba yung expectations from the average citizen, kaya iba yung rights ng average citizen, which is freedom of speech, yung mga ganon. But when you enter the House of Representatives, you're expected to hold yourself to a certain level of behavior. No? And kung walang ganon, wala na, magkakagulo na lang tayo dito. We are expected to act with a minimum level of decorum. Diba? And with respect to our peers. Ganon. So pag wala yun, then we have to seek redress. No? And that's what we are doing now. Kasi sabi mo nga, tuloy-tuloy hanggang ngayon. Every time may opportunity siya, kukunan niya somebody on the floor. That's not expecting to be put on public domain. No? Hindi naman siguro tama yun. So we will just pursue that complaint. Kasi para malagay sa tama yung kilos ng lahat dito. Lagyan naman ng dignidad yung House of Representatives. We represent our districts. Kailangan we have to behave accordingly. Di ba?
Sorry din sa lahat ng mga police at sa lahat ng mga security agencies. Ang dami-dami nila na nag-overtime ngayon. Thousands. Pero kailangan talaga ito ng bansa natin. If we do not show, not just the local community, but the international community, that there is chaos and there is corruption within our system, then there will be no change. Hindi natin pwedeng ulit-ulitin lang yung mga nangyari for the past few years, for the past ever since Marcos sat down and Romualdez became speaker, lahat ng ito, this has only been getting worse and worse at hindi natin pwedeng hayaan lang ito. At some point, we have to say it has to stop.
Kung tuloy-tuloy na ba ito?
Ha? Yes, every day. Pero yung bukas, yung next day, surprise, hindi ko sasabihin kung sang subdivision, hindi ko sasabihin kung ilan kami, hindi ko sasabihin kung ano oras. It's just surprise, and sila na bahala. If they want to protect kung gusto na protektahan yung mga magnanakaw dito, at yung mga magnanakaw na nakatira sa mga mamahaling subdivision, sa mga private subdivision na mga 200, 300 million per lot, or yung iba mga 1 billion per lot, then that's fine. That would be perfectly okay. But para sa akin lang, we have to protect the interests of the Filipino people over the interest of corrupt politicians. And that's why we're targeting the private homes of the corrupt instead of the public offices where they steal the money from. Kasi doon ninakaw lang na yung pera doon, pero dito na dinadala. Kinumpara mo yung mga speech ni BBM nung 2022 at nung 2025, then they're very different people. Kasi pag nakita mo yung mga pinagsasabi ni BBM ngayon, it's very chaotic, very unsure. Pero nung 2022, at that time, no one could have blamed anyone for believing in him because he actually had a vision of unity and a vision of hope for a future. Now, sobrang dami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya, and I think it's time for him to resign. Maybe he was a good person back then, pero masyado siyang natakot na baka mapatalsik siya ulit. So he tried to collect all the resources for himself so that he will always have power. Hindi natin alam. I can't speak for BBM or in BBM's behalf, but for Marcos, I just hope he starts to understand what the people feel about him. Hindi naman namin kailangan sabihin kung anong oras kaming poprotesta. Pero sila, hindi rin nasasabi kung anong oras sila nagnanakaw. They're stealing anytime, so we're protesting anytime. Ganun yun. Well, firstly, I'm not the only government official that is protesting. There are plenty of other protesters from different sides of the government. From the Senate, we have people who joined the Trillion Peso March, and from Congress as well. So we have different methods, but at the end of the day, what we want is to just get the money of the people back and to imprison those who have stolen it. Well, it grows every day. We are growing, and that's what's important. And hopefully, once they see the potential damage corruption is causing our country, our numbers will grow even more and more. Hindi, bali tayo. Meow meow, start listening to the people, or maybe you won't have the opportunity anymore if it's too late. Kasi at the end of the day, you are brought to that position by the people, and once you start considering your family above the family of others, then the people will do the same. They'll start considering the interests of their own families over your family. Okay? Because the people believed in you, and there are still some who do. The question here is now, should they continue believing in you? And could you give a reason for the people to continue believing in you? Kasi marami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya. We believed in you, all of us did actually. We all thought you would make things better, but things are not better. Our economy is collapsing. The peso is rapidly deteriorating. Our stock market also crashed, and now we are facing instability in Mindanao. There's a possibility of secession again. What else? Hundreds of billions have been stolen, so investors are losing confidence in our government, and there might also be mass resignation soon in the reserves, the military, due to loss of confidence for the government. So it's all Marcos's choice.
Ito ang mga komento ng mga netizen. Congressman Kiko, before the starts of hearing, let them define ethics first. Lay down the rules of what are unethical acts that may be committed. O, tama. Ito pa. My God's presence be with you today and always, Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Si Congressman Kiko Barsaga ang sinasabi na kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. The Jose Rizal of our time with a twist and swag. Nako. Pinagtutulungan ng mga matatandang buaya ang batang pusa. O, yan ha. I am very confident Congressman Barsaga will be able to defend himself from all the members of the committee. He does not come to this hearing without sufficient preparations to win. If you know yourself and you know your opponents, you need not to bother with the results. Ooh. Talagang ikaw pa talaga ang isinalang sa ethics committee. If they ever remove you, the people should rally in front of their own congressman's house to continue what you have started. Dapat siguro matagal nang ginawa ng mga tao. Ooh. Fight for what is right para sa bayan. God bless po, Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Imagine how proud his father to him. Hope all youths see the beautiful heart you have fighting for truth. O yan ha. Yan ang ilang mga komento ng mga netizen kabibig. Congressman Kiko, huwag kang magpatalo sa kanila. Ito pa, sabi ni Mary Lou, ethics? There are other qualified candidates in the House for Investigation to Ethics Committee. Isang bayani na si Kiko, sabi ni Ricky Lumain. Isa kang bayani, Congressman Kiko, labanan mo ang mga kakapal ng mukha ng mga buaya. Nako, mas lalong nadidiin itong mga itong mga kongresista. Na kung saan hinarap ni Congressman Kiko Barsaga ang ethics complaint niya, ha. Hinarap ngayon kabibig. At confident naman si Congressman Kiko Barsaga, wala namang problema, 'di ba? Sabi niya, kakayanin ko naman, 'di ba? So, mga kabibig, ito ang mga iiba't video na share natin, ha, na kuha naman na talagang alam ni Kiko kung paano niya tutulungan ang tao. Alam ni Kiko kung paano siya titindig sa kanyang mga sinasabi. Hindi puro paepa lang, pamidya, bulaklaking mga sasabihin, kundi talagang lalaban siya, titindig siya sa kung ano ang naisip niyang tama, mga kabibig. So, yun lang kabibig. Ano ang iyong komento hinggil dito? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para sa mga latest trending news na ating pag-usap-usapan. Ano sa palagay nyo? Mapaparasahan kayo si Congressman Kiko Barzaga? Sabi ng iba, magrarally kami sa harap ng Kongreso. Hala ka. Ilalaban namin si Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Siya lang ang natatanging nakikita namin na may simpatya at talagang lumalaban sa mga biktima ng inhustisya at ang mga kurakot ng mga opisyal. Hala, grabe, iba. Iba na ang dating ni Congressman Kiko Barzaga, kabibig. Parang hindi na mapipigilan ang maraming tao na namangha, na-appreciate nila ang ginagawa ni Congressman Kiko Barzaga. O ikaw, na-appreciate mo ba? So far, ito yung isang kongresista na talagang lantaran, vocal na vocal, ang kanyang paglaban sa corruption, talagang pagtawag na Marcos resign. Sino ba sa mga politiko ngayon ang may guts na mag-rally, mag-anti-Marcos rally, sumisigaw ng Marcos resign? Wala ba? So far, no, wala. Tanging si Kiko Barzaga lang ang ating narinig. Yung mga pinipilaban, sumigaw na ba? Pinipilaban senator, yung mga sinasabi nilang Duterte senators, Duterte congressman, sumisigaw na ba sila ng Marcos resign? Or takot lang din sila? Naku po. Ano sa palagay niyo? Comment down below. Bye everyone. See you next time.